Hello everyone. In this first video I told you about how to customize your inbox layout of Gmail. Now in this video I will talk about one of the another hack of Gmail. The name of this hack is create email filters. Uh, Email filters can be a great time-saving tool for managing your inbox. By creating filters, you can automatically send certain emails to the trash, save important emails with a star, and more. So in order to set up your Gmail filter, you need to first go to the setting and click on see all settings. It will take some time. So here we have a multiple tabs over here. Click on filter and block addresses. Now here, as you can see, we have an option create a new filter. The following filters are applied to all incoming emails. So click on create a new filter. So here you can fill this form, fill out this information in the window and select behavior you want to filter to the follow. So here you can write the email address from where you do not want to read or receive email. You can type any particular words that is that you do not want to see, and if you want to remove any word, then you can write here. And these all are options you can use to create your filter, and after that you will click on create filter. For example, if I want to send all the emails containing the word YouTube, so I will just click here create filter. So here, as you can see, all the emails that contain the word YouTube have appeared here, and if I select, I create a filter of this particular word, then all the email that I will receive containing the word YouTube will automatically go to the trash. So it's a very important tool for all the Gmail user. If this information has helped you, then please like my channel. Thank you.